Tucker Osborne in.
Come on, Mario.
For three.
There it is.
That's a good sign. 9-3 Mountain Brook.
Get out, Mario.
Got it again. Another three.
I knew this was going to happen, Lee. He is just. You got to realize Carter didn't score a point, did he? There's Mario again.
He's feeling it. It's 3 threes for Mario.
Go, Mario. Go, Mario. Get
gets
down.
it off and gets it in time. Trying to beat the buzzer and score 2 or 3. Mario for 3.
Mario.
Yes.
There we go. That's all his dad.
And let him get away with it. Jones with a nice shot.
Go, Mario. Go. Get it. Get down.
And that one's in. Two guys have both missed both.
We got a chance here.
Still have a chance. Mario into the lane, puts it up, and
now bury it. Bury it, Mario. Get in there. There
and
we
he
go.
got it. Mario passes on the 3, lays it.
That's how it works.
Mario, after the flyby, hits.
The Paisano. Get out, baby.
And there's the attempt, and it is good. Super Mario, super hot from three-point land. Shot of the first half. Mario drives and got it. And a blocking foul is called. They should count it.
What a shot.
Mario Stramaglia, by my unofficial score sheet, 23 first-half points. That's your financial goals, and that's what makes Bryant Bank a bank for a lifetime.
Go get it. Go get it, Mario.
He'll take it up and get fouled. 14-6, Mountain Brook. Stramaglia, his feed from Sam, and Mario eats it up.
Pass, Steven. Nice look. Go get it, Wiley. Go get it, Wiley.
Look at Mario go up for that rebound. He's fouled going up. Mario can get it.
From the finest parents in the world, though.
Carter Pritchard.
Go dunk it, Mario.
Ahead to Mario Stramaglia off the glass and in. Mario now with 14.
Get it, Mario.
Oh, he couldn't save it before he went out of bounds. Nice little lead pass, and Mario, look at that body control. Bucket of the game. And it was a good-looking one. Three ball, Mario got it in the back. This one's 69.
Wiley, my man. This ought to be an interesting jump here, Mario.
Matt can't make that big on that three ball from the corner.
We still hadn't anything but air. It went in, though.
Yeah.
Good job, Mario. Go.
Wilson King back to Mario. Tonight in the Spartan Cage Club room, thanks to Johnny Ray's Barbecue and Smoothie King. That's good stuff. Stramaglia brings it up. Carter Pritchard, now Wilson
There it
King
is. That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we want.
In.
Picking up the pace. There's a foul. Oh, what is that? That's a tee. Very smart. The ref 1 foot from you.
Well, he stuck the knee out, too. I mean, it was definitely a foul. And then a push. He's got pneumonia.
He was sick as a dog yesterday.
And, you know, he started out strong, but it's like he just didn't have very much gas in the engine, in the tank.
I talked to his dad earlier. He said, you know, hope he can just get through tonight, tomorrow.
45-32, Mountain Brook by 13, and they've got the ball.
Nice dribble, Mario. Good job. Come on, man.
Guard has hit 4 threes along with a 2. Mario missed
16
it.
or 17.
Got it back.
Good.
Up and in.
Woo, did you see how high he jumped there? That pneumonia don't bother me. I'm putting that high. Getting the clouds. There's another steal. There's another bucket.
All of a sudden.
Look how high is this one? Look how high up he is. Now Bowerman can jump.
Yeah. And then he gets the steal.
And 10 can't jump.
And goes right back up and in again.
And we got to go without him. Just got to see
7. JV or Mountain Brook spin dribble out to Mario. 3 ball. Got it. Done by Mario Stramaglia.
I think that's when he's at his best. When he can pull that trigger.
Another foul. Watch this little spin move by Wilson. Kicks it out, and right away he's pulled that trigger, and he's on target. Said 2. He needs to spend time. Superman
with a big block. There you go.
Oh,
great job.
He got 2 big steals and then points off of it.
Come on, Mario.
Like
come on, Mario.
Into the lead, and Mario.
Carter Pritchard. Halfway down. Great rebound, Mario. Nice rebound by Mario. High up the glass. In traffic. Got to get out of there now. Mario for 3. Yes. That's what we needed right there. Now Mario for 3 to answer. Yes. Mario Stramaglia. Bobby Kahn back outside. Mario again. Yes. Mario Stramaglia with 3 threes in the fourth quarter alone. 5 in the game. And the Spartans up 50. Now to Bobby Kahn. Bobby goes to work. There's the 3. Passes to Mario. 3 ball.